morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. I am Priyanka Ojha. Today we are going to start a new lesson in English grammar. Lesson number 5, Pronouns. As we know, when we make sentences, we use certain words which are very useful for us. Some of the words you can see here in red color. They are I, it, you, they, we, she, he, him, her, your, their, them. All these words are known as pronouns. These words take the place of a noun in a sentence. जो noun होता है उसकी जगह हम इन words को use करते हैं, इन्हें pronoun कहते हैं. Here I have taken an example from the book. Rohan is a good boy. Rohan is intelligent. In these two sentences, we can see that the name Rohan is repeated again. But when we will use pronoun, the sentence will change like this. Rohan is a good boy. He is intelligent. Here, he is a pronoun. Second example is Vani is a little girl. Vani is pretty. Here again we are using the name twice, but we can use a pronoun to make the sentence more clear. Vani is a little girl. She is pretty. So here she is a pronoun. I have discussed some pronouns over here. First one is I. It is used for ourselves. Then you. When we talk about another person, we use you. When we talk about a boy, we use he. And when we talk about a girl, we use she. We is used for a group of people. But when we are talking about a group of people who are far away, we can use they. Like in the sentence, they are dancing, they are eating. Pronoun they is used for various groups. It can be a group of people, a group of animals, or a group of things. Everywhere we will use the pronoun they. Now the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Pronoun वो words हैं जो noun या बहुत सारे noun हमारे जो sentence में हैं उसकी जगह पे use में लाया जाता है, उसे pronoun कहते हैं. Here I have taken another example. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Here you can see that the name Mr. Mohanlal is repeated again. When we will use a pronoun, we can say these sentences like this. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. Now, when we use nouns in a singular form, then the pronouns will change according to it. I, he, she and it are the pronouns which are used with the singular nouns. And the plural nouns can be converted into the pronouns like we and they. Here I have given a picture, and when we will say about it, the village is far away. It has many rivers. They are clean. Here we can see that we are using different pronouns. It and they are used to describe this picture. The words me, him, here, it, us, you and them are pronouns which are used in the telling part of the sentence, which is the first part of a sentence. We have discussed this in our previous lesson. But the words which are I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns which are used only in the naming part of the sentence. So you have to just remember this thing, that the pronouns are used in both the parts of sentences. Here you see that you can be used in both the parts of the sentence. The example, you are my parents and I am proud of you. Here you can see the first part and the second part of the sentence. Both we are using you, and you is used for singular as well as plural nouns. Now we will read some sentences given in your book. Number 1, Bobby. Here Bobby is saying something. Come here, Manoj. I shall given you my pairs of shoes. In this sentence, I and you and my are the different pronouns which are used in place of the nouns shoes, Bobby, and Manoj. In the second sentence, Manoj is saying, I will not take shoes from you, I shall take them from mother. Here also, you can see that I, you, and them are the different pronouns which are standing for Manoj, Bobby, and shoes respectively. Third one, Anupam. In this sentence, a question is asked. Is this your pen, Kanchan? So here, your is used as a pronoun and its